An important thing to start off with is that you don't have to pass other vehicles. Passing often involves crossing onto the other side of the road, which is dangerous and can cause fatal or serious crashes. So only try passing if you need to and you're sure it's safe. We're going to get in the car with an experienced driver and I'll talk you through it. If you spot a good chance to pass another vehicle, here's some things to look out for. Check your speed. If you're already doing the speed limit, you don't need to pass anyone. It's against the law to go over the speed limit. Check the road markings. Single dashed white lines means you can pass if it's safe to do so. Dashed white lines on your side and yellow lines on the other side means you can pass, but the other side can't. A single yellow line on your side or double yellow lines means you can't pass over these lines at all. We've got single dashed white lines, so we're good to go. Scan ahead for 12 seconds to make sure that there's enough clear road ahead. Also, check for any side streets in case vehicles pull out. Do you have enough clear road to pass safely? Remember, you need at least 100 metres of clear road after you've passed the vehicle. This means you need much more than 100 metres of clear road before you start passing. If the answer is yes, follow these steps to pass safely. Stay at least 2 seconds behind the vehicle in front, or 4 seconds in poor conditions. If it's a big vehicle, it's best to stay further back to get a better view of the road ahead. If you're in a manual, make sure you're in the right gear to accelerate quickly. Check your mirrors and blind spot to make sure no one is coming up behind you or about to pass you. Indicate right for at least 3 seconds. Check that there is still enough clear road ahead to pass safely. Check your mirrors and blind spot one more time. Accelerate while keeping to the speed limit and move smoothly onto the other side of the road. As you pass, indicate left for at least 3 seconds. Check your rearview mirror. When you can see the whole vehicle you've just passed behind you, do a shoulder check to confirm you're clear of the vehicle. Move smoothly back into the left lane. Remember, if at any time you're not comfortable to pass, just check your mirrors, slow down a bit, and smoothly pull back into your lane. It's a lot to take in, but that's how you pass other vehicles. I've got a few tips so you can practice this safely. Try passing other vehicles by changing lanes on multi-lane roads first. Remember, you need to see at least 100 metres of clear road in front of you after you've finished passing. The faster the vehicle in front is going, or the longer the vehicle, the more room you'll need to pass. And if you're unsure about whether or not you can pass safely, just don't do it.